Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Maureen Gula Palin. I am 42 years old from Porokten, Magading, Nabunturan, Davao de Oro. I am married and have 2 children, a 17-year-old boy and an 11-year-old girl. I am high school graduate from Nabunturan National Comprehensive High School. My work experience as domestic helper in Hong Kong. In my first employer, a family of 4, madam, sir, and 2 children, a 6-year-old girl and a 3-year-old boy. My main duties are do the household chores and look after the kids, send and pick them up from school. And my second employer are a family of 4. They are also a Chinese. A 2.5-year-old boy and a 5-month-old boy. I am an all-around helper. And my third employer are also Chinese, a family of 4. A 2.5-year-old boy and a newborn baby girl. My main duties are to look after the 2.5-year-old boy and do the household chores, cleaning, washing dishes, laundry, ironing, and went to market. And my 4th employer are also Chinese, a family of 3, and a 9-year-old boy. And I do all the household chores, cooking, cleaning, washing dishes, washing clothes, and sometimes pick the boy from school or send the boy to school. I am an all-around helper. Thank you and God bless.